Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top Minecraft VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Minecraft adventures. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Minecraft? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your login info stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never lose connection or accidentally expose your IP during a crucial Minecraft build. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which servers you connect to. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for Minecraft. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Minecraft because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of phishing scams or fake Minecraft mod downloads, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called Meshnet, letting you connect securely with friends for a private Minecraft server or custom modded worlds. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, console, and phone all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Minecraft player can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for any Minecraft player dealing with laggy servers, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for the lowest ping possible. This can help route your game traffic for a potential boost. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that lower ping. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Minecraft? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means less lag and smoother gameplay. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance can vary, with ping that can spike depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if low ping is your top priority, you can't stand lagging during Minecraft sessions, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you have a ton of gadgets or a whole household of Minecraft players. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused Minecraft player who needs evidence to back up claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for Minecraft. See you soon.